Mae'n gyfnod hynod cyffrous i dîm Cymru ar hyn o bryd. Mae yna reolwr newydd yn Ewropeaidd a mae'r daith i Gwpan y Byd Awstralia a Seland Newydd 2023 yn edrych yn addawol. Ond mae yna gyffro hefyd o gwmpas y tîmau ieuenctid, achos mae dreigiau ifanc Cymru wedi bod yn serennu ar y llwyfan Ewropeaidd yn ddiweddar. Well, Nicola, it's great to see you. Here we are at Collier's Park, and it's been a really busy period for the under-17s and the under-19s. Can you tell us exactly what's been going on?
Yeah, it's been all go, go, go. It's been a fantastic couple of weeks, really. So myself with the under-19s and with the under-17s. We've both been out in our UEFA development tournaments. So the under-17s were out in Sweden and ourselves were out in Andorra. And then obviously from promotion from ourselves with under-19s, we get to do this all over again now in April in League A, which is fantastic news for everybody really, and I'm just really proud of the players and all of the staff over these last couple of weeks. We as a nation are always striving to be amongst all the big teams in Europe, and we've been missing maybe for quite some time, so I think it's going to be a really exciting opportunity, probably for the players more than anyone, to see where we are. They've earned their stripes to get there. Again, those 3 games that we had in League B were certainly no pushovers. We had to apply ourselves and be on top of our game, which the girls were. And I think we're only just excited now for what's to come.
We're already seeing 1 or 2 names start to creep up more often than others. Names like Maria Francis-Jones, Phoebie Poole. How exciting for you as a coach to see these young talents coming through? Oh,
definitely. And they're just 2 to name a few. I think Phoebie in the Adran Premier right now is frightening. So I think when she came into camp, it was going to be exciting to see what Phoebie was going to be able to do on the international stage. And to be fair, she didn't disappoint in any which way. I think she was so glad to get a hat-trick on the final game. I think she kind of given herself her own challenges and her own targets. She knows where the goal is, and that's the most important thing as a striker. But to be able to get those goals, everybody else around has to give the service. And I think they all did that exceptionally well. Maria is our captain, and I think for the whole week she led the team really well on and off the pitch. And I think it's really exciting right now to see these young players coming through, because I think this exposure that they've had now in this development tournament is only going to stand them in good stead for what hopefully is going to be a very bright senior future for them.
And it's so important to have that clear pathway from the youth setup all the way through to the senior team. And one name comes to mind who's the perfect example of that, and that's Carrie Jones. How much do stories like that help your current players?
You've got to see it to be it. Well, Carrie Jones is the prime example for our players right now in the youth setup. I think these girls now really have this icon who's very much the same as them, living these dreams, and I think it makes it that little bit more closer to be able to feel that this can be reality for them.
We're really familiar with all the work that the FAW have done when it comes to the men's side, when it comes to developing young talent and the success of the youth teams. Can the same be said for the women's game?
Yeah, I think those changes have started to happen over time. I think now since the likes of Dave Adams, the technical director, has come in, you've got Gemma Granger now joining the international setup. It's only gone from strength to strength. I think there's going to be, as there already started to be, no stone left unturned. Every girl who wants to be able to be involved in football should have that opportunity, and everybody here in Wales is working extremely hard to make sure we continue that to grow.